Let's make salsa mexicana, also known as pico de gallo. It's a super simple salsa, but really all about the technique. So you want to make sure you dice all of your ingredients pretty similar in size. I'm doing the Roma tomatoes, just slicing them into pieces and then into little chunks, along with a white onion. Don't use a yellow onion. You're going to get more flavor with the white onion. I did about a quarter of a white onion. Next is the jalapeño. If you want it less spicy, then go ahead and remove the rib and the seeds. If you like it more spicy, leave the seeds on, or if you want it spicier, then use a serrano. Next is the cilantro. I am folding it over and then chopping up really fine. I also do the stems. I know some people don't like them, but I don't mind it. For the lime, go ahead and roll it out and then squeeze one whole lime, season it with salt. Give it a good mix. I tried it and it needed a little bit more lime and salt, so taste to your liking. And then go ahead and serve it on your favorite tacos or as a side dish with tortilla chips, and it's so good. Enjoy!